Welcome to another episode of Inside AI Agents. When an AI agent fails, most people think the model wasn't smart enough. But in most real systems, that's not the real problem. Agents usually fail because of how they are designed, not because they can't think. Agent failure rarely happens in one step. It builds up over time. Small mistakes repeat, tiny misjudgments add up, and eventually, the system becomes unstable. Now, let's look at the different failure types. One common failure is when an agent gets stuck repeating the same process again and again. It keeps working, but nothing meaningful changes. This usually happens because the agent doesn't clearly know when it's finished. If the system cannot clearly recognize success, it keeps trying. Moving on to the next failure type, goal drift. Another common failure is goal drift. The agent starts with a clear goal, but slowly, step by step, it shifts focus. This happens when the agent gives too much importance to new information. Each new input feels important, so the goal slowly changes. The next failure type is thrashing. Thrashing is when the agent keeps switching between actions. It tries one thing, then quickly changes its mind, then switches back. Thrashing happens when the agent overreacts to small changes. Instead of making steady progress, it keeps correcting itself too strongly. Moving on to the next failure type, outdated plans. Sometimes an agent continues following a plan that no longer makes sense. The world changed, but the plan didn't. In agent systems, small mistakes don't stay small. Each cycle adds a little more error, and because agents run repeatedly, those small errors grow. When agents fail, they're telling you something. They're showing you where the design is weak. So what makes an agent stable and reliable? Stable agents need balance, clear stopping points, steady progress, careful updates, and well-managed memory. AI agents don't fail randomly. They fail in patterns, and those patterns come from structure. In the next episode, we will explore guardrails and human control, exploring how oversight prevents agent failures. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.